All right, let's get right into it. For the last couple of years, we've all gotten pretty used to AI as something we just talk to, right? But right now, there's a massive shift happening, kinda under the radar, that's moving AI from being just a conversation partner to being more like a digital coworker. We are absolutely entering a whole new chapter.
So, does that mean the AI chatbot is dead? It's a bold question, I know. And while the answer isn't a simple yes, it's pointing to a much, much bigger story. Let's be honest, the novelty of just chatting with an AI is starting to wear off.
The chatbot isn't dead. Not really, but it's definitely not the main event anymore. The real race, the high stakes game now, is all about building the ultimate AI agent. We're talking about an AI that doesn't just talk about doing things, but actually goes out and does them. It takes action and completes complex tasks for us.
And this new race for AI agents has created this really fascinating split in strategy. We're seeing two completely different ways of thinking emerge about how to build and win at the future of AI. It's really a tale of two totally different strategies. So on one side, you have a giant like Google, and they're trying to build the everything platform with Gemini. But on the other side, you've got a super focused player like Perplexity, who is just obsessed with being the best answer engine. They're not even playing the same sport. Google's ambition here is just massive. They're not just tweaking a product. They're trying to build this everything platform. Gemini is being woven into the very fabric of the entire Google ecosystem. We're talking integrations with business tools, being embedded right inside your Gmail and Docs, and getting a huge upgrade in how it reasons across both text and images. It's a full-on, enterprise-level strategy to become the AI layer for everything you do at work.
Perplexity, though, is playing a totally different game. They are not trying to be your enterprise platform. Their strategy is laser-focused on one thing: the user experience. They're shipping new features literally every single week, obsessed with making their answer engine faster, cleaner, and more trustworthy by always giving you verifiable sources. It's all about nailing one thing really, really well.
Okay, so we've covered the high-level strategy, but what does this new world of agentic AI actually look like in practice? This is where it gets really cool. It's all about moving from an AI that just talks to an AI that actually does. So it's super important we're on the same page about what an agent really is. It's not just an AI that follows a single command. No, an agent is an AI that can understand a big, high-level goal you give it, break that goal down into a multi-step plan, and then go use different tools like searching the web or editing a file to execute that plan all on its own. A perfect example of this is a tool called Manus. With a recent update, it basically turns your entire Google Drive into a live interactive database. This completely gets rid of that old, clunky workflow of downloading a file, uploading it to an AI, getting a result, and then re-uploading it. It's just seamless. And this just brilliantly shows what's now possible. I mean, look at this 5-prompt workflow. The AI scans your existing files for context. It generates brand new content, saves it in multiple different formats, and then even organizes all the final files into a new folder for you. This entire content creation and organization process that used to take hours of manual work, now it just happens autonomously. This whole concept is so powerful, it's even changing the most fundamental tool we all use online, the web browser. This quote about a new browser called Neo just captures the shift perfectly. Your browser is no longer just a passive window, it's becoming an active agent. Think about this. With Neo, you can give it a high-level command like plan a trip to Tokyo, and it will actually go out and research flights, hotels, and cool activities, and pull it all together into an itinerary for you. It can summarize all of your open tabs at once. This isn't just browsing anymore, it's basically delegating your research to the browser itself. And you know, this isn't just a trend for the big closed source companies. It's happening in the open source community too. For instance, there's a new model that can now use images and videos as direct inputs for the software tools it controls. I mean, imagine telling an AI, hey, edit this video clip to match the artistic style of this image. That's the power of these multimodal agents, and this wave is spreading everywhere. All right, so all of these incredible new agent capabilities are being powered by some unbelievably sophisticated AI models. And that means, behind the scenes, there is an intense, secret war being fought between the top AI labs to build the most powerful technology on the planet. And this competition recently just spilled out into the open with this really dramatic series of events. So first, Google launched its super powerful Gemini 3 model, and it started pulling users away from ChatGPT. Well, in response, OpenAI's CEO declared a code red, basically halting other projects to focus all of their energy on a counterattack. And then, internal memos leaked, revealing their secret weapon, a new model codenamed Garlic.
And according to these leaks, Garlic is an absolute monster. It's reportedly beating the very best models from Google and Anthropic in key areas like coding and logical reasoning. The secret sauce is a technique called high-density pre-training, which lets them pack the same amount of intelligence into a model that's smaller, faster, and cheaper to run. This is the kind of tech that will power the next generation of AI agents.
Okay, so we've got a strategic war between platforms, we've got a technological revolution towards agents, and a secret model war powering the whole thing. What does any of this actually mean for you and the tools that you use every single day? Let's boil it all down. Here are the crucial takeaways. First, the AI race isn't about conversation anymore. It's about autonomous action. Second, you're going to increasingly face a choice between these giant, all-in-one platforms and these hyper-focused, best-in-class tools. Third, your most basic apps are turning into proactive agents. And finally, all this fierce competition between the giants, it's fantastic news for us. It means better, faster, and cheaper tools are coming our way, faster than ever before.
And all of that leaves us with one final massive question to think about. As our tools transform from these passive instruments into autonomous agents that execute our goals for us, what does that do to the very nature of our work? What's the human role in a world full of digital agents?